Hi, my name is Haley Consolasio, and this is my playwright project about Lorraine Hansberry. In New York, Hansberry attended the New School for Social Research, then she worked for Paul Robinson's black newspaper called Freedom from 1950 through 1953. She was the first African American female author to have a play performed on Broadway. Her features focuses on her time period that she lived in. She wrote a play about a struggling black family in Chicago that lived under racial segregation issues. In 1963, Hansberry became active in the civil rights movement. Her work consisted of themes about racial discrimination and sexist attitudes. Her life and times of the author. She lived through May 19, 1930 through January 12, 1965, at age 34. She was from Chicago, Illinois. Lorraine Hansberry was the youngest of 4 children born to Carl Augustus Hansberry, a successful real estate broker, and Nanny Louise, who was a schoolteacher and ward committee woman. Despite their middle-class status, the Hansberry were subject to segregation. In 1938, the Hansberry moved to a white neighborhood and was violently attacked by neighbors. Lorraine Hansberry went to the New School Welcome Center, Engelman Technical Prep Academy, and the University of Wisconsin-Madison. She was the first African American female author to have a play performed on Broadway. Hansberry married a Jewish publisher and activist, Robert Nemiroff, in 1953. She then was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in 1963 and died 2 years later at age 34. The author is emphasized with early modernism. She wrote during the racial segregation in the 50s. Lorraine Hansberry's 1950s play A Raisin in the Sun is that the American dream is still relevant today as people strive to climb the social ladder and attain financial security, based off of real people and her family members in Chicago. Hansberry joined the first lesbian civil rights organization in the U.S., Daughter of Bilitis, contributing letters about women's and gay rights to their magazine called The Ladder. The plot of Lorraine's most famous plays, A Raisin in the Sun, was a family named the Youngers, were a poor African American family living on the south side of Chicago. An opportunity to escape from poverty comes in the form of a $10,000 life insurance check that the matriarch of the family receives upon her husband's death. A Raisin in the Sun opened at the Barrymore Theatre in New York on March 11, 1959, to great popular and critical success. It ran for 520 performances and won New York's Drama Critics Circle Award for the Best Play of the Year. The white press applauded the play for not only a black play, but one that was a universal drama. Lorraine Hansberry is relevant to today as she changed history as well as being an activist in the civil rights movement. She was intriguing because she was also identified as lesbian in the 1960s while she was married to a Jewish man during the civil rights movement. In her play, A Raisin in the Sun, it remains important as a cultural document of a crucial period in American history, as well as for the continued debate over racial and gender issues that it has helped spark. She is an immensely important figure in the ongoing discussion about racial injustice and racism. Thank you.